Hey everyone, David here from the Dance Connection. In this video, we're gonna do Jam Along. Music is by Hip Hop Harry. This is a great dance to help kids to isolate different body parts. It's super simple, and I think grown-ups, you'll really enjoy it too. Let's get going.
Hop makes you clap your hands. Feels so good to jam with the band. Songs are fun, and everybody knows that music is rhythm and rhythm is soul. For the big or the small, the young and the old, enjoyed by everyone across the globe. We've got maracas that keep the beat, so let's hear the sound that sounds so sweet. We've got bells and we've got chimes. Xylophone, let me hear you one time. Now it's time to break it on down. Listen to the way that the beatbox sounds. Hear the sound and jam with the beat. Now it's time for the dancing feet. There's one more sound and the job's complete. Here comes the drummer with the funky beat. Now this part's tricky, but this band is clever. Let's try playing the sounds all together now. Everybody jam along with the hip-hop band. All the boys and the girls all across the land. Music is a play and you can't hear. Music is a party inside your ear.
Thank you for following along in this dance today. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, please, please, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe. We'd love to know how you feel. Special thank you to all of our Dance Connection dancers. We love our dance families here at the Dance Connection of New Jersey. And always remember, stay dance connected.